ట్రిప్లెక్స్ విల్లాలు మీకోసం సిద్ధంగా ఉన్నాయి. APR ప్రాజెక్ట్ బాచుపల్లి.
అండి, చాలా టైం అయిపోయింది కదా మిమ్మల్ని కలిసి. బాగున్నారా? థ్యాంక్ యూ, మీరందరూ ఇక్కడ వచ్చి మమ్మల్ని సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. బేసిక్లీ ఐమ్ థ్యాంకింగ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. అండ్ వికీ గారికి హైదరాబాద్కి వెల్కమ్ చేస్తూ, వెల్కమ్ వికీ టు హైదరాబాద్.
Thank you.
You're going to have a blast. అండ్ బేసిక్లీ అవునండి, ఛావా 14th రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది. ఇది మన ఫస్ట్ సాంగ్ రిలీజ్ చేస్తున్నాం హైదరాబాద్లో. సో నాకైతే చాలా అంటే యాక్చువల్లీ చాలా ఎక్సైటింగ్గా ఉంది, ఎందుకంటే నా ఛావా టీం ఇక్కడ వచ్చి ప్రమోట్ చేస్తున్నారని. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్, మీరందరూ వచ్చి ఇక్కడ మమ్మల్ని సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. అండ్ సెకండ్లీ, ఛావా ఫస్ట్ సాంగ్ మీకు ఎట్లా అనిపించింది? నచ్చిందా? యా, ఓకే. వింటారు కదా మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ, నేను కూడా వినాలని అనిపిస్తుంది. సో ఐల్ గో హోమ్ అండ్ డూ దాట్. కానీ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. మై ఫస్ట్ టైం దట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ హ్యాడ్ Rahman sir's name, in the same film. So I'm extremely honored. And like Vicky again said, it's the love between Maharani and Maharaj is something way beyond love. Like, you have seen love in a certain way, but this is one of the main reasons why I wanted to do this film, is because this is something spiritual, something beyond human capabilities, So it drew me to do the film. And today when I'm seeing Jaane Tu come alive, the music and the visuals and everything, I'm telling Vicky that anything I watch from this film, it's making me cry. I don't know why. Oh, that just rhymed. Not bad. Guys, I think I can get back into rhyming. But yeah, this song is really, really special. And I really hope everyone out there, all the audience, love it. The first thing I had is, oh my God, he set one standard for performance. He set one standard for acting, So I'm like, first of all, of course, we all can see that there's a height difference. So I'm like, okay, how is it going to look? But again, that is directors and producers and all of them. They would have placed it that way for a reason. So I'm like, that's not, that's not on me because I really can't change my height, sorry. I had to stand on like couple of apple boxes to match his height for all the close-ups. But that aside, I feel like Vicky carries one sort of aura that, you can see, you can feel it. I don't know if he knows it, but all of us standing next to him can feel it. I think that comes with the peace that he has inside of him, or I don't know what it is. He just feels like a Chava. That's what I was thinking, like it is such a perfect casting. I think Lakshman sir somehow knew that this is a Maharaj.
I'm just looking at you and I feel like the Maharaj is sitting here.
See?
I am getting that vibe completely. You have just nailed it.
Thank you so much.
But
I hope the audience feels the same when the film comes out on 14th of February.
Yeah, we were your first audience. No, we saw it. But I think the chemistry is what you're talking about, and that's only because he was him on the other side, letting me do what I could do. And I think it was just both our energies sort of merging in together and just delivering what you're seeing today.
Yes. आपकी पहली बड़ी फिल्म है ये मैडॉग फिल्म्स के साथ, तो एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा आपका?
मैं तो बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ. Chava, when Dino sir came and told me about Chava, Dino sir is a producer, like Mad Dog Films, let's just say that. So when they came to me with the film, and I didn't tell you this also, no? There's this, when the narration happened, there's these two bits in the film that I actually agreed the film for. Yeah, so in the trailer, I don't know if you have watched this shot, but you coming out of the water in the war, that water sequence, that was one. I don't know why. I'm not there in the sequence, but I just fell in love with that sequence so much. I was like, Lakshman sir, this is it. This is giving me goosebumps, and I want to, like everyone in the audience also, tomorrow when you see that water sequence, no, like Maharaj is coming. It is, what do you call it? What is that technique they used to
It's
do?
called guerrilla warfare.
Ah.
They used to use nature and the terrain, and they used to do surprise attacks.
I love that concept. I fell in love with that concept, and I was like, this just blew my mind. That was one. And secondly was the climax, of course. Like that. We can't tell you what it is because it's really personal. You'll watch the film.
We will let the mystery be mystery and watch the film on Feb 14th that we all are excited for.
సుమన్ టీవీలో మీ పర్సనల్ అండ్ బిజినెస్ ప్రమోషన్స్ కోసం కింది నెంబర్కి కాంటాక్ట్ చేయండి.